All versions of the number 8 series of fire steel kits are packaged in a spacious yet compact leather pouch. The design of the pouch allows you to quickly gain access to the contents within. In these fire-making kits you'll find a 7.5cm long steel striker with a leather strap, a container of charcloth tinder, 3 pieces of flint, and 2 bundles of twine. Our fire steels are made of high carbon steel so that when they are used to strike flint, you're guaranteed to produce a large quantity of sparks, easily able to ignite your tinder. This kit is suitable for men and women alike and would be a natural addition to your modern camping equipment, as well as being great for use in medieval reenactments. It can also be easily opened and closed by pulling upon the leather cords on the opposite side.